challenge here. Let's count the cash. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 22, and 27. So $27 we're working with today. And I am going to put that right here. So let's see what the dice has in store for us today. It will be really nice if we can get something fully funded. So challenge 3 for $4. We have this one and this one left. So I'm going to write in 4 here and give it 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Challenge 1 for 2. 1 and 2. Challenge 2 for 5. All right. Three for 3. And look at that. We completed this one. So, but we don't know how much we saved because, you know, the dice told us what to put in here. So 3. 1, 2, and 3. Challenge 1 for 5. Challenge 2 for 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have $4 remaining. Okay, I'm gonna chance it. I'm gonna roll the 2 dice again. I do have some extra cash sitting to the side, so if we go over $4 and get a 5, I can pull $1. 2 for 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, perfect. So nothing to the left. Nothing at all. Or actually it's to my right. Okay. No problem. So we did get this completed. And let's see, I'm going to move the tray. And so let's see what challenge 2 has. It says 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 13. 13 for challenge 2. Oh, I think we may have 2 completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 for challenge 4. So we know this one is complete. So I'm just gonna bring out the cash and then we'll count it up. Let's see what damage we done here. So we got 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 total to work with. And let's see. We can do 7. 1, 2, 7. And then I still leave us with 4. The lowest number here is 5. So I guess for now we'll do that. We'll give this, we'll color in the 7 here. I don't think this is the same color, but I'm gonna go for it. And let's see if we can get this one fully funded. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12. And we'll give this dollar to this challenge. Yes, and then we'll color in one more. Okay. 2 done. I'm so excited. So I think for the month, this will be a total of 3 challenges that was completed. So that is absolutely wonderful. All right, so let's see what we have saved here. And that's 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So 44 in for challenge 3. And coloring in one more, that's 5. And then that leaves us with 3, and they're all 6. Okay, and then for the Soul Luxury roll and save, we have 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So 44 and 46. That's what, 90? Yeah, so $90 within 2 challenges plus whatever we saved earlier in the month. So what I'm gonna do is put this to the side and grab 2 new challenges for these. So I have this one from Jessie C Envelopes. I got this many years ago. I don't even know what that is on here. Looks like it got marked by something. But anyway, I think I'm gonna do every star $1. Oh, and actually I'm going to challenge 6. I found this and I got this from Saving with Grace. I ordered a purple cash tray from her, and she gave me this mini challenge. From the tray was for my daughter. So actually we'll add challenge 6 back into the rotation, and we'll let challenge 3 be the buffer. So that's what we got going on. We're getting ready for this well, definitely for me, this hot Florida weather for the summer months. So denomination is $1. We are set and ready to go for the next cash stuffing. I'm just gonna pop this in here real quick. And this is the other challenge we saved. So I believe, let's see, we got 30, 44, and 46. So 120 that we'll allocate in a different video to my sinking funds to get some close, either maybe possibly fully funded or that much closer. So we'll do that. Yeah, that is all, you guys. Thank you so much for returning, or if you're new, thank you. And I hope you comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll chat with you guys in the next one. And happy hump day.